Greetings. My name is Scott, and this is my new house, which I have already posted a video about. These trees, aren't they beautiful? I really like the fire maples. They're very nice. All right, so let's go inside and kind of walk through, because I promised that after I bought this house, I would... Did I already say that whose house it is that I bought? Oh, I don't know if I said it or not. I wasn't really paying attention, but let's just cut through and let's go check out the really cool thing that I said I would show you. Whoa, this is the back of the house. I'm still not used to it. Look, there's a pool. How cool is that? This is an old 100-plus-year-old garden wall that's from the Arcady mansion that used to be here. My understanding is that somewhere on this property is also the foundation for the mansion. It goes all the way around here, and then there's like a little house back here. Quite the wood pile. Hearing some birds. Sounds like... Not sure what kind of bird that is. Nice little loft up there for sleeping. There's a vent. I'm not sure what it's for. Is there a heat somewhere for this thing? I don't even know. It's got these beautiful double doors, stained glass, and a little porch. I could put like a little desk out here. I could work outside. There's electric. There's water. There's lots of lighting. I disconnected myself there. Here, let's go take a look. Oh, I hear sandhill cranes in the distance. They're migrating right about now. There's lots of these little, kind of, garden things, decorations, pergolas, arches. This is the other part of that garden wall. I showed you the other side. I think we skipped this part. This is pretty nice. It's quite nice. Look at that. You have lots of pathways. You know, I wonder where these big giant cement blocks came from. I wonder if this is part of the old foundation here, or is this still part of the wall? This is probably still part of the wall. Because here's a nice little pergola, closed roof pergola for dining in. It's closed, it's got screens, there's electric. There's pretty lights hanging in there. Oh, that light's on, that's interesting. Oh no, that's just the glare from the sun. Another, this is the other side of that garden arch that we saw from over there. I'm lost in my own yard. And this is one of my friends at work will appreciate this. The pun intended here is a garden bed, right? And it looks like a bed. There's nothing in it. I'm not sure what the intent there was. Here's another little, there's the house over there. Here's another one of these arches. Kind of walk around. I know this is a long video, but it's a lot of yard. Well, this just kind of ends. I wonder what was here. Am I supposed to walk through? I'll just kind of cut through here. Just kind of trip up here. Then we'll swing back around and wrap this up. Pathways to explore over here. You could just go for a walk in your own yard here and it can take quite some time. You can spend quite some time. Now here's, oh, that's interesting. More of this. Oh, there's a door here. Okay. Very neighborly to have a door going to the neighbor's property. There's tennis courts over there. I wonder if they used to play tennis together. There's some mirrors situated. Every, 100 feet or so, you see a mirror, which is very interesting. And here's another sort of, I'm guessing that these stones are probably easy to find just all over this property. I bet this used to be just absolutely amazing back here. It's, the previous owners getting up there in years a little bit, I'm guessing. I'm a little bit more difficult to take care of and keep it nice. And then there's things like this, just this stone plinth here, for lack of a better word. It looks old. And there's that wood pile, you saw that earlier. There's a table here. There's a little pond. I bet this probably used to be all running and it was just amazing. You could just walk back here. And our goal is, of course, to, oh boy, combat. Came through here with some markings, interesting. Let's just cut back around this way and circle back around through the garden. Watch out for that, don't want to trip there. See, the backyard takes a lot longer to explore than the house. I think I did the house in 4 minutes. We're pushing 8 here. Interesting. So fascinating. I don't know what those lines are. Some sort of ivy that grew on there. There's that garden wall. And if we come back through here, we haven't toured this section yet. The previous owner they're like little interesting. I was wondering if he was going to leave his bowling ball, and he sure did. Look at that. Those are kind of beautiful color yellow, aren't they? I like that kind of hosta. I don't usually like hosta, but I like those. More bowling balls. I guess to help demarcate the property. And okay, I guess this could be a vegetable garden back here. It's all quite overgrown now, as you can see. There's just things growing wherever they want. I don't even know what this is. I don't see any sort of like volunteer type plants that you might see, like what used to grow here. I don't know. There's some various tools laying around, broken pieces of wood. There's a lot to do here. This must have been like a vegetable garden. I don't see any tomatoes though. It looks like it's all just weeds came up in the pots. I'm guessing he may not have felt like taking care of it in the last year or so, and perhaps it just became too much. I can certainly see this becoming too much. It's too much. Is it too much? Leave some comments if you've gotten this far. I mean, we're not even really done yet. We haven't taken this path yet. There we go. Now we're back basically where we started, by the pool, back of the house, and there you have it. How crazy is this yard? It's absolutely insane. There's a lot to do here. I'm just gonna do a little bit at a time. You know, just come out here and do whatever I see needs doing, and eventually, hopefully it will. See, like here, this needs doing. Let's pick that up. It's a nice little bird bath. Pick that up. Get things squared away. There's pillars like this out front too. All right, there you have it.